Hello everyone. We're already in 2025 and tools like ChatGPT aren't a gimmick anymore. This is the engine that has permanently changed digital marketing forever. In the next few minutes, I'm going to tell you how this technology is creating super personalized ads, boosting efficiency, and why it is the only way to win in the future. Let's start with a crucial area, content marketing. The traditional process is dead, and for a good reason. Before 2025, a writer spent an entire day on keyword research and draft a single blog post. We would manually go through competitor content, often missing niche SEO opportunity. Now AI does all the heavy work. It identifies the competitive gap and creates a complete solid outline in just a few minutes. It also then drafts a high quality first version in less than an hour. The human marketers simply have to refine it and use AI to make 10 different platform-specific variants for LinkedIn, Instagram, or your email. This isn't just faster drafting, this is 3 times faster content pipeline with guaranteed SEO alignment that gives massive growth in organic traffic. Alright, next is the place where we spend most of our money, paid advertising. And the shift here is even more dramatic. Before AI, we would waste the budget manually testing 3 to 5 ad copies. And these copies were also so generalized for broader demographic segment that we would wait a week to see which one won. Today, AI generates 50 hyper-personalized variants in just 2 seconds. It matches copy not just to demographic, but user-specific, job title, company size, and even individual pain points. And then AI-driven optimization takes over. It monitors thousands of live campaigns and automatically allocate the budget to the highest performing copy. This isn't about iteration, it's about eliminating waste. We're consistently seeing a 15 to 20% reduction in cost per acquisition for our clients because every penny is being spent on an ad that truly holds value. Finally, let's talk about the last mile, customer experience and personalization. This is where we truly build loyalty. But before, we used to send the same boring mail to everyone. And a basic chatbot would simply give a frustrating I don't know answer to most of the things. That meant our customers weren't engaged and our support team was always overloaded. Whereas the AI engine now allows genuine hyper-personalization at a large scale. Our email platforms now analyze every customer's journey, generate unique subject lines, and even recommend hyper-relevant products. They even send out mail at an individual's optimal open time. On the support side, AI-powered conversation assistant now handles 80% of Tier 1 support tickets with human-like sympathy and only escalate complex issues with a full and an accurate transcript. The result is a better experience for the customers, they're engaged, and our team fixes their issues 25 times faster. The common theme across content, paid ads, and CX is the shift from general marketing to hyper-personalized communication at a massive scale. That efficiency, that depth is what AI delivers today. It is not a choice for marketers in 2025. It's a must-have tool for success. So the big question is, are marketing jobs safe? Yes, only if you adapt. Simple and repetitive tasks are shrinking. The human role is shifting from the doers to strategists and AI managers. And the only way to win is to interpret the data, find the big ideas, and master these AI tools yourself. That's why I strongly recommend Strategist's digital marketing course. It's built for the AI-first future, giving you the skills to manage these tools and drive real business growth. You can find the course link in the description. Alright, if you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. Thank you for watching.